How to archive chats on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ChatGPT application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the chat name on top of your screen and a menu will appear. Tap on the archive option you see there, and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the archive option again. And now, if you want to view your archived chats, then tap on the two lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the three dots beside your name at the bottom. You will then be led to the settings page of ChatGPT. Here, tap on the archived chats option, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your archived chats. So this is how you can archive chats on ChatGPT. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.